Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome to Mr. Technology. I'm Pavan, and today I'm going to show you how to crack and install WinRAR, which is a 5.31 latest version, and you can install it offline without any internet connection. You need first you need a WinRAR.exe, which is a normal application because normal software because you need to extract that. And you can then uninstall this software and you can use the genuine one. So first, this is the software which I'm gonna use to crack it. So right click on it, open it, and here you go, this one, WinRAR, and extract this desktop, extraction complete. Close this, and here you go. This is the one which you use, and uninstall this one. Double click on it. Um, if you are 32-bit operating system user, download this one and download this one. And if you are 64-bit operating system, download this one. Done. Okay. Here you go. What is the new latest version? This is the thing which you. This is normal. Even this is a normal WinRAR. This is not a cracked WinRAR. Close this. Come back again to the extracted file. This is the extracted file which you have extracted. This one. Come back, come again after installing this one, come again with this one, and you can see the winrar 5.vx 5.v5x dash keygen.rar. Double click on no, single click, open with winrar. Select this both, extract, extract, okay. In class password, use copy this and paste this one. Okay. Extraction complete. Close everything. Here you go. This is the software which cracks your window right now. Then you will get something called this one. Key. That's it. Registration data, 7 unlimited company license, everything. Your vendor is now genuine and you can license and you can use the full version right now. And even if you want, install these things.